Hey everyone, hope everyone is having a fantastic day. And I hope most of you also did fill up the whitelist for the Starterra launch, which will happen very soon, as it will be definitely a good one. I personally filled it up, so good luck to those that did. Anyway, today I want to do an updated technical analysis on Bitcoin and how it will affect the market. As always, I respect your time, so if you are just here for the bottom line, I'll give you the main point of the video right away. And so today, I'll be quickly updating whether I think Bitcoin is back in a bull run or not, and what is likely to happen next based on technical analysis, and subsequently how it will affect the market. Do check out my previous TA on Bitcoin on how to determine if it is in a bull or bear market. And if you want to know more about the full analysis, you're welcome to stay throughout. And leave a like and comment while you're at it. Alright guys, let's jump straight to the TA. So as you can see all these red boxes, as I mentioned before, these are all support and resistances which are pretty important for Bitcoin. Alright, so don't be scared of all these boxes. And as I mentioned before in my previous video, how do we determine if Bitcoin is in a bull or bear market? So simply, if Bitcoin is trading above the 21 and 34 weekly EMA, it's in the bull run. If it's not, which is happened just a month ago, I would say it's in a mini bear market or a fully bear market. But right now, Bitcoin is finally trading above the 21 and 34 EMA, and right now it's about 47.4k level. So what do I think will happen? So zooming in, this is the daily chart. And what do you see here? I've drawn the bearish trend line from the very top, alright, all the way down. And Bitcoin, as you can see here, has finally broken out of the bearish trend and is rising super rapidly, insane levels. And I also drew a Fibonacci tool from the low to the medium high. If you don't know what's Fibonacci, do check out my previous video. And it has retraced right to the 0.382 percentile level, which is a decent level to bounce off of. And what do you know? It really bounced off that level, shoot up all the way to the negative 0.27 extension levels. Pretty accurate as well. So what do I see happening from here? To me, I can see price still head up to the negative 0.618 percentile level, which is about 51k, 52k level. Why do I say that? It's because Bitcoin has still a lot of bullish momentum right now. It wouldn't be too hard for Bitcoin to hit the 51k level. After hitting around that level, the 50 to 52k level, I would see Bitcoin retrace quite a lot. Alright, maybe back down to the 42k level, which is a prime support level for Bitcoin to hold, for the bullish sentiment to stay. Why do I say that? It's because Bitcoin, after breaking out from the 42k level, it has not really tested the 42k level yet. Zooming back out to the weekly chart, for us to confirm that Bitcoin is back in the bull market, it has to retest one of the EMAs, which is the 34.21. So I can see it hitting the negative 0.61 extension, going back down and retesting the 34.21 EMA, which is, I would say, around 42k level again, as these are the previous highs that, you know, price usually comes back down to retest the highs. So guys, I need to warn you, with every bullish outcome, there could be a bearish outcome as well. So, what do I see in the bearish outcome? I have drawn a Fibonacci tool from the previous high, which is about 58k level, down to the bottom, which is the 29k level. And what do you see here? Price have actually retraced all the way back up to the 0.618 level, which is a pretty strong area to bounce off of, as I've mentioned in previous videos. And right now, it is kind of facing the resistance exactly at the 0.618 percentile. So, what do I see in this bearish outcome? Okay, if price goes below 42k level, I would be a little bit concerned because it couldn't maintain the support at a strong key level, which is the 42k level. and that is the level at the previous highs. So if it's a bullish outcome, it will hold the 42k level. If it's bearish, if it breaks down below 42k, I'll be a bit concerned. But there's one more level I'll look out for, which is around the 38k level. Okay, there is another support which we have to see whether price will go there or not. And if price still doesn't hold at the 38k level, then I would be back into my bearish bias, alright? And I will zoom out to the weekly chart again to see whether it has broken down again below the EMAs. Alright guys, so let me tell you what I expect to see in Bitcoin the next few weeks or months. So as I mentioned previously, I still think price would shoot up a little higher, back up to the negative 0.618 extension at the 51 to 52k level, would have a retracement, right? Back down to the 42k levels, okay, which is a very strong support. And I hope Bitcoin would establish strength over there, which is also going to be testing the 21 and 34 weekly EMA levels. If it actually holds, where do I see price going next? So this is a monthly chart and it's looking pretty strong with a bullish engulfing in the past month. And right now it's building up momentum as well, a lot of momentum actually. So if it actually breaks the previous all-time high at 65k levels, I would see it heading up to the negative 0.27 or negative 0.618 extension levels, which are at the 80k level, which is the first area I would expect some small resistance at first. And the last, where everyone predicts that it will go to 100k at a negative 0.618 percentile. Alright guys, enough of Bitcoin. Let me talk a bit on altcoins. So typically, altcoins follow Bitcoin, the king of crypto, right? So, since Bitcoin has been rallying the past few days and weeks, altcoin did the same, but at a faster rate. And right now, I do think we need to be careful if we are having altcoins in our portfolio, because price could retrace anytime, as this is a key resistance level. So I would take some profits here. And if you want to add altcoins, this is not the right time to do it. Wait for a retracement. Price always goes back down to retest key support levels. Alright? So even though price breaks this key resistance level up to the 50k regions, do not FOMO. Wait till price goes back down and establishes a strong support, and then you buy in. Okay? Buy into your favorite altcoins or whatever. If price rejects the 48k level and goes back down from here, I see price falling back to the 42k levels. And that is a very good region for you to start buying back up your altcoins. So that's it from me. If you like this video, please hit that like button if you haven't already. Comment down below if you have any questions. And I also make videos weekly, so subscribe if you want contents like this. If you want to earn interest on your crypto, you can use Blockfi and receive up to $250. Link is in the description below. And as always, invest safe and smart. The markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.